Get her, Jay. Get her.
Not her.
Go get Keeter. Watch her. Tell her hi. Tell her hi, Jay. Just smack her. She's like, I can't understand. I'm slapping her, but it's not hurting her. Why is it not hurting her? Usually you slap these dummies and they go away.
Not my claws.
Yeah. That's funny.
Jay, what are you gonna do? Get him, Jay. Get him.
She's like, no way, Bessie. I ain't allowed to go there.
Come on, take it on the cat. Take it on the cat.
What, baby? Okay.
Oh, are we allowed to sleep?
I don't care.
Because we like, my dad, he don't like comments on me. And he don't just like putting us on him. That's how he feels.
Oh, no. Y'all are fine.
Oh, Jesus.
I hope you don't think that we're like trash because I got my door open. I never had my door open like that.
No, he won't think that.
I hope not.
He don't. My dad's not like that. He don't judge me.
Okay. Because I don't ever keep my door open. Like, I've only done it, what, 2-3 times?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, my dad don't judge me.
Her dad's coming up here to talk to me. Shut that door.
Who?
Her dad. So he won't think we're trash. And like, party. That's her mom?
She's gorgeous too, isn't she?
Oh, that's that woman that I got into it with. Yeah. She's got a very foul mouth on her. Yeah, I got into it bad with that woman.